Hey there! Have you ever wondered how your body fights off those germs and keeps you healthy? Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of your lymphatic system. First things first, what exactly is the lymphatic system? Picture a network of tubes and nodes running all throughout your body, kind of like the highways and byways of a bustling city. These tubes are called lymphatic vessels, and they carry a clear fluid known as lymph. But where does this lymph come from? It all starts with tissue fluid. When blood circulates through your capillaries, some of the plasma, the liquid part of your blood, leaks out into the surrounding tissues due to the high pressure at the arterial end of the blood capillary. This fluid, known as tissue fluid, occupies the intercellular space and bathes your cells in nutrients and oxygen. However, not all of it returns to the blood vessels. Only 85%. Where does the rest of the fluid go? That's where your lymphatic system comes in. The tissue fluid that doesn't make its way back into the blood vessels is collected by the lymphatic capillaries and lymphatic vessels. Once inside these vessels, the fluid is now called lymph. Think of it like a recycling system for your body. The lymphatic vessels transport the lymph towards lymph nodes, which act like little security checkpoints. Lymph nodes are packed with white blood cells, your body's defenders against infection. As lymph passes through these nodes, the white blood cells filter out harmful bacteria, viruses, and other unwanted substances. Pretty cool, right? This cleaned lymph is then transported back into the bloodstream, maintaining the balance of fluids in your body. So, how does lymph circulate? Unlike your blood, which is pumped by the heart, lymph relies on the movement of your muscles to keep it flowing. Walking, stretching, even just breathing helps push the lymph through its vessels. This is why staying active is so important for your overall health. In the lymphatic vessel, one-way valves ensure the lymph flows continuously to the heart. Now, you might be wondering, what's the relationship between the lymphatic system and the blood circulatory system? Well, they work hand in hand. The blood circulatory system provides the tissue fluid that eventually becomes lymph, and the lymphatic system returns that fluid back to the bloodstream through lymphatic vessels. The thoracic duct receives lymph from the left side of the head, neck and chest, and all the body parts below the ribs. It will deliver its contents into the left subclavian vein. The right lymphatic duct receives lymph from the right side of the head, neck and chest, and the right hand. It will transport lymph into the right subclavian vein. So, the lymph collected from the whole body will eventually flow back into the blood circulatory system. It's a perfect example of teamwork in your body. Why is the lymphatic system so necessary? Firstly, lymphatic system complements the blood circulatory system. It returns the excess tissue fluid in the intercellular space into the blood flow. Secondly, it's important for body defense. Lymph nodes produce and store lymphocytes that are involved in the production of antibodies. Thirdly, the lymphatic system is involved in the transportation of fat-soluble substances. So next time you're out for a walk or doing some stretches, remember that you're not just moving your muscles, you're also keeping your lymphatic system in top shape. And that's pretty awesome.